Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some automatic options, and in order to set the date and time manually, we have to turn off this one. So let me tap on the switcher, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping, confirm it. The same situation with the time, just like that, and tap on OK. We can also change the time zone manually. Just tap on it, find the time zone, and tap on the time zone you'd like to apply. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got also dual clocks, so basically the whole idea of this feature is that you can use two different clocks. Your device will display one clock with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second clock with the time from the second place. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not, just by using the switcher, and here you can decide what kind of time format you want to use, 24-hour one or 12-hour format. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on the switcher to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.